All-American Conference matchup, 7-2 Harding hosting 7-2 Howland. Raiders lead early, but Luca Franzaglio cuts into the deficit for the Tigers with a buzzer-beating triple to end the first quarter. Then second quarter, Harding comes out hot. Chaz Coleman knocks the ball free and gets it back on the breakaway for a two-handed slam on the other end. Then Miles Miller got going for the Raiders. He knocks down a triple on the wing. Then again, it's Coleman finding Miller from deep. He scored 10 points in the second quarter alone. Raiders use a 30-11 run to end the half, and Harding improves to 8-2 with a big 71-40 win over Howland.